Welcome to our video where we are going to compare two of the best air fryers in the market. We have Ninja's AF161 Max XL Air Fryer and Gourmia's Air Fryer Oven. In this video, we will be comparing the features and functionality, size and capacity, ease of cleaning, and price of both these products. So let's dive right in. Both air fryers have multiple cooking modes, with Ninja AF161 offering 7 different modes, while Gourmia has 12 presets. Ninja's Max Crisp technology delivers superheated air, heating up faster and cooking food up to 30% faster than Gourmia's air fryer oven. Gourmia's basket has fat removal technology which removes up to 90% of fat during cooking, where Ninja's AF161 can cook up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Both products are versatile and offer great functionality, but the Gourmia air fryer oven has more presets which may make it a better option for some. The Ninja AF161 has an XL capacity of 5.5 quarts which can fit 3 pounds worth of food, while the Gourmia air fryer oven has a 6-quart capacity which can fit more than 3 pounds of food. Both air fryers offer ample space to cook for a small to medium-sized family. If size and capacity is a major concern for you, then the Gourmia air fryer oven may suit your needs better. Both the Ninja AF161 and the Gourmia air fryer oven have non-stick baskets, which makes cleaning up after cooking easier. The ceramic coating of Ninja AF161 is dishwasher safe. Similarly, all the accessories of Gourmia air fryer oven go straight into the dishwasher, making cleaning hassle-free. However, if you are looking for a completely maintenance-free option, then the Gourmia air fryer oven is the right fit for you. Both products offer great value, with the Ninja AF161 priced at $169 and the Gourmia air fryer oven priced at $79. While both air fryers have unique features and functionality, the Gourmia air fryer oven comes at a lower price point, which makes it affordable for budget-conscious buyers. So that is our comparison of two of the best air fryers in the market, the Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer and the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. Each air fryer has its own strengths and weaknesses, and it is up to you to determine which one fits your lifestyle and cooking needs. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.